What is good, y'all? It's your boy Trizzy over here, back again with another After the Hype video. So, we is very last minute, but I got an unboxing for y'all, and it's the Galaxy Watch 6, cause I'm way overdue. Alright, so we got the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic over here. I was gonna get the Ultra or whatever else, one of those new Galaxy watches, but there's no rotating bezel, and I don't know why Samsung doing that. So instead, I opted for the LTE Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and I'm trying to see what's good with this. As you can see right there, LTE, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS. Now I hope Samsung get back on their stuff, because I remember like when Samsung did this with like, what was it, the Watch 5? I don't think they had a rotating bezel either, and then they came back with the Watch 6 Classic. Then they got rid of it again in the new Galaxy watches, and I'm hoping they're gonna bring it back next year, but we'll see. I feel like this year they were just too focused on copying Apple, just to keep it 100 with you. Like I made that whole rant in my YouTube video, and people did not like me about this. But I think it's true. And this is like classic Samsung right here. Like this is the Samsung I want right here. This watch looks clean. Anyway, we got Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. We got Wear OS, which is why I was so hesitant, because I got the original Galaxy Watch. I got it at my girl crib right now, but I got the original Galaxy Watch and I've been rocking with that thing since 2019. And it's 2024. And I'm pretty sure it came out in like what, 2018? So like it's definitely getting old, and I'm starting to notice like the screen messing up. So like, yeah, let's do it for an upgrade now. Anyway, on the left side, we got Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. On the right side, we don't got nothing except for we do got the size over here, which is 43 millimeters and LTE. On the bottom, we don't got nothing, and at the top, we don't got nothing. So, all right, bet. We got these easy pull tabs. Thanks to Samsung for doing that now. Shout out to Samsung for finally listening, man. Like, y'all just like, I don't know, man. Y'all did not have to take this long to finally get these pull tabs, but now here we is. So, bet. Peeling that off. All right, bet. So, we just got some useless info that I don't really give a F about. So, let's go ahead and get into this thing, boy. Ooh, man, I'm just so hyped to get into this. Ah, yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. And I need a screen protector, I just realized. But oh snap. Ooh, boy, that look clean right there. And you know what? The bezel turns. Yeah, look at that Samsung. I know it's crazy. So I'm coming from my rose gold Galaxy Watch original to this thing over here, to LTE, and then, well, I already had LTE, but to Wear OS from Tyson. That's the only thing I didn't really, that's why I just been so hesitant with upgrade my Galaxy Watch, because I'm gonna just keep it 100. I just didn't want to get Wear OS. I like Tyson way more, because I have a Galaxy Watch 4. I've been trying that out, and like, I just ain't really feeling Wear OS. It just don't feel as smooth or nothing. But also, just look at this watch band over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in so you can get a closer look at this, but just check this out, bro. I want y'all to just admire this for a little bit. It feels soft, it's nice looking, it's dope for sure. But while that powers up, Samsung Galaxy powered by Knox, let's go ahead and check out the rest of the box up in here. So we should have some different size bands or whatever else. But pulling this out, we have our charger over here. So it looks like we got USB-C to the actual wireless charger, as you can see right there. So dope. Hopefully it lasts me a while, but I'm kind of mad that Samsung don't got like that stand-up dock or whatever like they have from the original Galaxy Watch, but it is what it is. Also, we got, I can't really see in here, but we have our user manual. And you know what we do with that? We do it to the side as always, but we got it in the box, so we ain't throwing the box to the side. And wait a second. Is Samsung being stingy with the watches too? Oh, hell no. They don't got no different size bands up in here. Come on, Samsung, bro. All right, now that's sad. I ain't even expect that. We don't got no different size watch bands in here no more? Looking on the box. Nope. What the fuck, bro? Samsung really been wilding these last few years. They really trying to hop into our pockets for real. But all right, let's just go ahead and set this thing up, whatever, man. So let's go ahead and unlock that. We got my Fold 6 over here. I literally just unboxed this thing. So let's go and click on connect, allow. All right, bet. I didn't even set up this phone yet. So confirm, let's go ahead and click on the check mark, and let's go ahead and wait for this to download the software. So I need to go ahead and download my Watch 5 app, or I'm sorry, my Watch 6 app, but we're downloading the software, so let's wait for that. I agree to all, I'm gonna sign my life away. So let's go ahead and click on agree. All right, bet. All right, bet. So this is all the Google shit. My dog going crazy upstairs with this little squeaky toy. Goddamn Melly. And now I'll just say, getting your watch ready. So I'm gonna let it hold that down for a minute. All right, so shit, that was quicker than I thought. So now sign into my Google account. Automatic watch backup. Yes, I want to do that. Next, and allow. Smart things. Allow. All right, bet. There ain't shit up on here. And let's see here. Galaxy Watch 4. So let's go ahead and do that. Restore, and then I'll let it do that. Wearing preferences. Next. Always on display. I do not want to do that. Next, next, next. And next, damn, there's a lot of shit up on here. All right, getting ready. Yeah, all right, phone them. I like that, boy, I like that. Okay, yeah, we set up now. So we got Latrell's Watch 6 Classic. Oh, I love to see it, bro. And then it says starting over here. So let me go and throw that on my wrist. Let me see the flick of that wrist with that. Adjust this on my wrist. Let's go ahead and get this in the proper procedure. Lock that in. Oh, snap. I look like a boss with this shit. I ain't even gonna hold you, bro. Woo, shit. Look at that. You see what I'm talking about, though? You see that from the jump? I see a bunch of lag up on here. It's starting to smooth out, but damn. Also, one thing I don't like about this, and I like on my original Galaxy Watch, is that I could just press a button and open up the apps, but now I have to swipe up like this. But damn, bro, just look at this. Phone on this thing look clean, man. Now let's see what's good with the app a little bit. So I'm kind of new to this like whole Wear OS thing, even though I got my Watch 4, I just never used it. I probably would have used it if I had a rotating bezel, but it didn't. So let's look in the app a little bit. We just got the watch settings. We got our watch faces, app screen, tiles, quick panel. We got find my watch. So if we click on watch settings, what we got over here? We got notifications, sound and vibration. We got Samsung Pay. We just got a few other things over here. And so far, I like this thing. So it's just going to be a quick little unboxing though. It's just going to be an after the hype unboxing. It's not going to be reviewing nothing like that. I just want to go and give you an unboxing in 2024 to let y'all know how this thing looks. And do we got any updates? Let me see real quick. Watch updates, download and install, and connect to the server. I'm assuming we're going to have one, but let's see real quick. And what's crazy is the last security patch was March 1st of 2024, so Samsung already slacking. March 2024? You know what month it is right now? It's October. They way behind on that. But anyway, man, I'm gonna go and get up with y'all later, so hopefully y'all enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and get this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe, or go and follow me on my social media at ECENTech on Instagram and X and Facebook, but Instagram and X are most active. And I'm gonna definitely go ahead and give y'all a review of how this thing's been like a year after it came out, so y'all stay tuned for that. Because I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all still gonna be interested in this just because it has the rotating bezel, because that's my thing right there. I love the rotating bezel. I have no idea why Samsung would want to drop that, because that's what literally distinguishes their watches from other watches. But anyway, man, y'all be smooth. I'm gonna get up with y'all later. Peace out.